Welcome back, guys. If you are new to this channel, we solve every code chef, code forces, and lead code contests and the daily challenges of lead code and gigs for gigs. So, let's solve today's code chef round 828 that is rated for division 3. The first question is number replacement. Okay, it's a very easy one if you know hash map. Okay, so let's see what the question states. The question states that an integer array is given to us, has to be is being transformed into an array of lowercase English letters using the following procedure, where while there is at least one number in the array, we choose any number x from the array and any letter of English alphabet y, and we replace all the occurrences of x with the letter y. Let's say any letter y. By any I mean a can be like if I take a for 1, then I can take a for 2 also. Okay, but the catch I'll tell you after with an example. Okay, for example, if we had an array initially 2 3 2 4 1, then we choose the number 2 and the letter c. That can be any letter, but here we have chosen c. After that, we replace it by c. As you can see, all the 2 are replaced by c. So we choose the number 3 and we replace it by a, and the 4 by t, and the 1 by a. Like I said, I can replace two different numbers by the same letter. Okay, so let's see. But I can't replace, if I do 1a, then I can't do 1b or 1c. I have to take 1a in all cases. Okay, so let's see it with an example. Okay, you have taken three test cases that will clear all the doubts. Okay, like here I said 2 3 2 4 1. First I will map, I will go on mapping the from the beginning of the array to the last, like 2 with c, and this is the string that is given. So I will map 2 with c, 3 with a, 4 2 2 is already mapped with c, so it will go on mapping. Then I will map 4 with T and 1 with A. Okay, and I get an yes. Okay, for test case 2, let's see. Like I said that I can map, uh, I, I can have different numbers with the same letters. Okay, like here 1 I have taken A, and again for 2 I have taken A, and again for 3 I have taken A. And then again when I check for this 2, I check if it is already present in the map and which character it is mapped to. Like if 2 had been b here, then this 2 also has to be b. Okay, but here these are same, so it's okay. If it isn't the same, then we return a no. We break out of the loop and we return a no, like in this case. Let's see in test case 3. In test case 3 we can see that 1 is first mapped to A, then 2 is mapped to B, then 3 is mapped to A, then 4 is mapped to B, then again 1 is mapped to A. It is satisfying. 1 is mapped to A. But here 1 is then mapped to B, which defies our statement. Okay. So we break out and we print a no. Okay. So I'd say it is an easy one if you know map. Okay. Let's see the code for it. Okay, this is the code. First, this is for the test case. Okay, first I input n, and that is the size of the string and the array. Then I input n numbers, the that is these n numbers 2 3 2 4 1. Then I input the string, that is CSETA. Then I declare a flag and an unordered map. I have used the unordered map of int and char. Okay, so for mapping, I linearly traverse. I linearly traverse, and if uh, you see this condition, if I find two already present in the if I find two already present in the map, then I see what it is mapped to. Like here, two is mapped to C, And again when I check for 2 is mapped to C, then again when I come across 2, then I see which letter it is mapped to. If it is C, then it's okay. If any other letter, then I do flag equals to 1, and then I break out. And here I keep on going. If it satisfies, then if it satisfies, then I go on mapping it. Okay, so I break out whenever I find a condition where it defies the statement. Okay, so when I break out, I see if the flag is 1, then I print no, or else I print yes. So let's see. I have already submitted it in Code Forces. You can see the output here in Code Forces. Okay, in Code Forces, the output, my submission, like you can see, the same question has passed all these test cases. Okay, thank you.